All right, so here's the latest update. And things always just take a little bit longer than we think, right? And so there is actually going to be 4 different products inside of Kajabi, right? There's going to be the launch pad. There's going to be the daily passive or passive daily pay blueprint product. There's a digital mastery, and there's going to be the legacy builder. So right now, those are being cloned, and it's uploading in Kajabi, okay? And so that's what we're kind of waiting for on that. But also, the website was not mobile friendly, and so Michelle had to pull her magic, and she had to change it to make it more mobile friendly. We just got off of a Zoom. We kind of went through it. I love it. I think it's more inviting. I feel like it's more soft and caring, right? And anyway, all you're gonna have to do on this, you guys, when you get a hold of this, is change the pictures and the name. Okay, we will be launching an Invisible Empire website as well. It's just that is going to have to be coming, but it will be coming, and you guys will get access to it. And so now, what's happening now? Once this is done and we approved it all, now she's got to clone this and start removing stuff, right? Because this is a legacy builder one. Now there's going to be one that's just going to be the digital mastery. There's going to be one that's going to be the passive daily pay blueprint, and one the launch pad. Because you guys are only going to be able to promote the products that you paid for. We don't do the other way. That doesn't even make any sense. This is your business. We're going to treat it like a business. So that's what we're doing with that right now. So that is what we're waiting for. What I'm doing behind the scenes right now is I'm recreating videos and putting testimonials in it. Let's see if that video, I think it's done. Okay, let me pull it up here, because here's what I want you guys to do. Because remember, you guys are going to brand you. By the way, oh my gosh, the testimonials, you guys have been amazing. Thank you guys so much for everybody that has taken the time and put in a testimonial. I can't wait for you guys to see it, but let me just kind of show this with, oh my gosh, she killed it.
I've been in business for
Killed it. So good. So good. So good.
Hold your feet to the fire to be the...
It is so good, you guys.
Having live and interact.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
And it really hurts me, right? And
you guys are going to love it, by the way. You're going to love it, okay? So, what I'm going to recommend you to do, okay?
Because
and then we had Jeffrey end it and just home run it. He home run it, you guys. He knocked it out of the ballpark. Like, it's let's go, right? And so what I want you to do is this video is being uploaded right now to testimonials, okay? You guys need to go download it to your computer and upload it to your YouTube, okay? Because remember, you're going to put your YouTube videos on your new funnel system. So just go ahead and upload it to your YouTube, okay? Now, when you do it, keep it as unlisted, not private and not public, but unlisted, okay? So make sure you're doing that. And when you upload it, okay, so when you upload it to YouTube, and you go through the steps, and I'm actually going to record a video doing this, but I'm just going to let some of you that are getting anxious, get a few steps ahead. But when you do it, and then when you go to the part add, excuse me, you can recommend another video, do the replay of the webinar, okay? Like, make sure you guys are filling those out. Then they'll follow you in the replay of the webinar, okay? And so anyway, go ahead. This should be in testimonials by now. Go ahead and download it to your computer, upload it. And I just did intro video. You can do that, right? So what I'm doing now, I'm going to create a really fun video that I'm excited about. I'm creating a video right now that is going to be, oh no, not another course video. Okay, anyway, you're going to love it. That's being worked on. And then the video page, I'm creating that video as well. I just needed the new system, right? I can't create a video that showed the old system. And so that was why I couldn't record it prior to now. Anyway, so I'm going to record that. That's going to go on the video page. So as soon as I have that one done, okay, but I got to show you guys something real quick. Can I go in here and show you? If you guys go inside your testimonials, look at all these testimonials in here. They're so good. Yes, that is not a That is, look, 1 and 2. Very good. You guys realize you can use any of these testimonials. Any of you, and they are so good. Now, many of you sent me your testimonials in like YouTube. Okay, so I can't download them in here because they're on YouTube. So I'm going to create a Google Doc that I'll put in there as well that will have everybody's testimony, YouTube testimonials that you can add as well. Okay, so I know you guys are like punching, but just you guys, we got to do it right, right? And we had to test it. We got to do it right. But it's going to be, Kajabi's got to get everything uploaded. And then again, you guys remember and have grace with me because I'm not Nicole. I'm not Nicole, right? And so I'm trying to get there. So now that we have the website done and the photo page is done. See, now I got to go in and I got to create some of these. I've had many people in the community step up and help me with some, but I got to go create the other ones. And then we still got to put those inside of it tonight as well. So you know how to connect the entire system. I'm just waiting for one more step to get done through Kajabi before I can get that link and I can show you how to do that. There's so many little bitty parts. Because see, you guys got to remember what I'm allowing you to do, right? I'm getting rid of that middleman of you having to submit your information and then taking 2 days. I'm going to show you how to do it all. I'm going to teach you how to, the moment you are going to be able to add your funnel step and your website step, the moment you can add them into your system, you're going to be able to immediately connect them to your domain and to your gateway page. Like that quick, that quick, that quick. That quick, that quick. Like, I don't even know how to emphasize, like that quick. Like, it's going to be awesome. And so when you get a brand new person, like a brand new, and I'm going to share this with you real quick. I'm going to get off here because I need to rest my voice. A brand new person that gets started, they can go, when they're connecting their domain, and while they're waiting for it to be verified, they can go to start editing they're changing their picture on their website, putting their story and start editing the emails. They can start downloading or uploading the videos to their YouTube. They can start setting up their YouTube. They can do all of that. By the time they're done with all of that, their GoDaddy domain should be verified. Then they can go into system. They can connect it. They're ready. Is that not awesome? Like, for people that already have a domain, you're talking not even 30 minutes. Is this not, it's amazing. Like, you guys, how fun this is. Like, it is so fun. We literally, if somebody has a domain, we literally can say to them, you can launch your business. I mean, even if you connect your domain correctly, it doesn't take more than a few hours anyway. But literally, somebody can get started today, launch their business today. I absolutely love that. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update. That's what's going on. I know I've been quiet in the community because it's literally been all hands on. Just Kajabi's uploading everything. We're having to duplicate every website, which means we have to duplicate every website, but thank you pages need to be created. I got to create a video for the page on the $29. Like, it's crazy. But the moment somebody buys from you, here's how the process is going to work. And I'm going to cover this with you tonight. But the moment somebody buys from you, okay, they're immediately going to be taken to the $29 button. And the moment they pay the $29, they're immediately taken to the login page. Immediately taken to the login page. Immediately have access. Is that not awesome? And all they got to do, when they're in here, where's it at? All they have to do when they're in here, they can access the community right here, or they can access the community right here. Like, they'll immediately have access to everything. And so that will be, we actually have a special link for that, so I know it's all connected. So anyway, super excited. Want to give you an update. That's just a delay. But you guys, just go market, man. Just go market. Let people know. Like, they're still getting everything connected. You guys still have time. You still have time. I had 3 people buy it from me this afternoon because of what I said during my live. I literally said, you guys, the moment this is connected, you will not even be able to buy my IPS off my off my daily pay business anymore. So if you want to get access to 3 more income streams, you better take advantage of it now. 3 people bought because of that. Then they email me, do I still have time? It's all about that urgency, right? It's all about that urgency. And so I'm just sharing that with you guys. Don't be waiting for us. Keep on going. Keep on. It's the journey we're on. This is so awesome because what they're going to get and be part of is going to be absolutely amazing, but we're not launching it into the world until tomorrow. You're good. You're good. You're good, okay? But go right now, put that YouTube video unlisted under your YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in 2 hours unless I come on sooner and give you another update.